In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. I saw many questions about changing default apps in the comments. That's why I decided to record this tutorial and show you exactly how to do it on iPhone 17 Pro. Without any tricks, just a few taps in device's settings. But before we can go into settings, you need to access App Store and download your new defaults. I already did that with Firefox, just for example. So now I can exit App Store and go into settings. When you're ready, do the same. Now scroll all the way down to tap on apps at the very bottom. Then click on default apps at the top and scroll to pick one of those sections you wanna manage. I wanted to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app, tap on Firefox to apply it and wait for a blue checkmark to show. So now when I go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.